Here's another great question. What is one powerful mindset shift that can change someone's life immediately? Alam mo ba, hindi ka broken. No, you're not broken. You're only programmed. So the reason bakit ka nagkakaganyan is that the way you react to life is based on the programs that you got when you were young, when you were born. Alam mo ba, may mga programs pa na napasa sa'yo from your lolo or from your parents or from your great-grandparents. So those programs are the one dictating your life right now. So kung mali-mali yung programa mo sa buhay mo, that's why you're getting that kind of results. At least, di ba, you don't end up living your life with regret. Kumbaga, hindi ka magdudusa na hanggang dyan na lang yung buhay mo. Pwede mo pang baguhin yung buhay mo regardless the age that you are in right now. Simply by changing your programs. And that's what's amazing. Kung yung cellphone nga nag-a-update, bakit ikaw hindi? Baka yung mga programs mo dyan, nakuha mo nung mga 5 years old ka pa, or 10 years old, or 20 years old. That's why some people live their life until they die as if parang nasa 5-year-old lang sila, or 10 years old lang sila, or 20 years old lang. They don't really fully live their life because they're not open to updating themselves, no, upgrading themselves. Yung program na nakasanayan nila, kahit pa hindi siya effective, yun palagi yung ginagamit nila, and they use this as an excuse kasi ganito na ako dati pa. I was born like this, ganito kami pinalaki. Pero think about this, hindi ka puno. You are not a tree. So it means that you can transform your life. Hindi ka stuck dyan. Meron kang sariling pag-iisip. But the sad part is that you're not using your mind to your advantage. You're letting your mind use you. Ginagamit ka ng utak mo, pero hindi mo ginagamit yung utak mo according sa gusto mo. That's why nagdudusa ka. Nagdudusa yung relationship mo. Nagdudusa yung business mo. Nagdudusa yung organization or career mo because you're not open to learning more about yourself and changing what you need to change. Pero at the end of the day, buhay mo yan. Wala naman tayong magagawa kung ayaw mo talaga. Right? But if you're open to changing, may paraan. You simply need to decide to change. Okay?